Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is English 1123 Passage 1 Fact and Opinion. Fact and Opinion carries only 3 marks, but it seems to be very difficult for the students. But it is not as difficult as it is portrayed. It is a scientific question and you can easily attempt it if you recognize it clearly. Fact is a universal statement. Everyone agrees it. It cannot be negated. So, if the statement cannot be negated, it will be your fact. While opinion is the personal point of view, it is not necessary that everyone agrees it. It can be negated, but it must be a sure statement. If there is any doubt, then it will not be an opinion. The statements that neither are fact nor opinion are the statements with doubtful words like might, could, should, ought, can't, are neither opinion nor fact because the writer himself is not sure in such statements. So, to differentiate between fact and opinion, you should ask yourself, can I prove it? If yes, then it is a fact. If no, then it will not be a fact. And for opinion, you will ask yourself, does it explain how someone feels? If yes, then it is opinion, and if no, then it will not be an opinion. The key words for fact may be the dates, numbers, science, non-fiction or historical events, while the keywords for opinion may be I believe, I feel, I think, it is good, bad, always and most. Here I have some examples for you to differentiate between fact and opinion. For example, the sky is blue. It is a fact because everyone can prove it. Candy is yummy. Candy may be yummy for someone but may not be yummy for some other person, so it is an opinion. Sugar is sweet. It is a fact, but sugar is delicious. It will be an opinion because sugar may be delicious for someone and may not be delicious for some other person. I think everyone plays hockey. It is an opinion. They believe he is telling lie. It is an opinion because he may not be telling lie. The earth revolves round the sun. It is a fact. The atmosphere is always cool here. It is an opinion because it may not be cool at some time. Ice cream is cold. Ice cream can melt. Ice cream come in many different flavors. Ducks can quake. Rabbit runs fast. The fish lives in water. Sugar is sweet. All these are the examples of facts. While mint ice cream is my favorite, it is an opinion. Everyone loves ice cream is also an opinion. Chocolate ice cream is yucky. Ducks are very beautiful. Rabbits are good. I love to eat fish and sugar is delicious. All these are the examples of opinions because someone may deny, someone may negate with these statements. So, when you can negate with some statement, it is opinion. And if you cannot negate the statement, then it will be a fact. So, now to repeat again, facts tell us what happened and can be proven true or false. What is a fact? A fact generally refers to something that is true and can be verified. As such, that is, a fact is something that can be proven to be true. For example, the annual report confirms this. Scientists have recently discovered that, according to the results of the tests, this. The investigation demonstrated that, while the opinions are attitudes or judgments that can't be proven right or wrong, we can negate with them. An opinion refers to a personal belief. It relates to how someone feels about something. Others may agree or disagree with an opinion, but they can't prove or disprove it. This is what defines it as opinion. He claimed that it is the officer's view that the report argues that many scientists suspect that. All these are the examples of opinion. To differentiate fact or opinion, here are some more examples for you. The sun rises in the east. It is a fact, but The sunrise was beautiful this morning is an opinion. The water boils at 100 degrees C is a fact. The lake is too cold for swimming. It is an opinion. The movie was 3 hours long is a fact, but the movie was boring is an opinion. Here are some criteria to check whether your statement is fact or opinion. First one, you will check the meaning. If the statement refers to something that can be verified or proved to be true, then it will be a fact. And if the statement refers to a judgment or belief about something, it is an opinion. Facts are based on observation or research, while opinions are based on assumptions or personal view. Facts are objective reality, while opinions are subjective statements. Fact verification is possible, but opinion verification is not possible. Fact represents something that really happened, while opinion is a perception about something. In effect, no change is possible because it is universal, but in an opinion, change is possible. It differs from person to person. Fact words shown with unplaced words, while the opinion is expressed with placed words. Fact is not debatable, but opinion is debatable. Fact has the power to influence others, while opinion does not have the power to influence others. So, to differentiate, you must be aware of the author's purpose and choice of the language. Sometimes the author lets the facts speak for themselves. For example, with fewer cars on the road, there would be less air pollution and traffic noise. Therefore, the use of mass transportation should be encouraged. It is a fact. While sometimes the author may use descriptive language to appeal to your emotions and sway your thinking. The following is an example of an opinion. Do you like looking at a smoky view from a congested highway? How do you feel about fighting road hugs and bumper to bumper traffic every day? Mass transportation is the solution to all these problems. It may not be the solution to all these problems, so it is an opinion. This type of emotional language is neither right nor wrong, but the way in which it is used can be positive or negative. It is up to you to make reasonable judgment about the material you are reading and to draw your own conclusion. Therefore, when you read, it is important to judge facts and opinions carefully. In order to come to the right conclusion, ask yourself, are the facts reliable or are the opinions based on the facts? Once you answer these questions, you may be on the right track for finding and sticking to the facts. So be the judge by yourself. Now the question arises, why are fact and opinions so important? So to answer, the ability to distinguish between fact and opinion helps the students to develop their critical and analytical skills in both reading and listening. So fact and opinion are often woven together in the text and listening. They are also woven in text and speeches as well. It is therefore imperative that students are able to unravel the threads of what is true from what is mere belief if they are to successfully navigate the deluge of media they will encounter in their lifetimes. We can identify fact and opinion with their language, their signal words and their phrases, because often writers will liven up their facts with a sprinkling of opinion, and unfortunately it can at times may be difficult to extract the verifiable truths from the author's preference and biases. So luckily the language used itself often throws up helpful clues in the forms of words and phrases that assist us in identifying statements as fact-based or opinion-based. So to identify between fact and opinion, memorize this chart and evaluate your statement in the exam on basis of all these comparison methods. Hopefully it will be a great help for all of you. Thank you.